first cars in the big United States-Mexico cross-country race. In first place, it's the Silver Streak. Second, the rocket-powered Road Burner. And bringing up the rear, it's Speed Buggy.
I'm tired of eating death meaty. Let's pass that big bone hogger.
Roger.
And it's Speed Buggy in first place as they pull into the border checkpoint.
I'll lock us in.
And I'll check Speedy. Open wide. Everything looks okay to me.
That little car is the perfect hiding place for my tape.